While the government moves to evacuate persons still in emergency shelters from Hurricane Melissa in St. Elizabeth, in one community, residents are looking to move into one. A church in the community of Redding in Lacovia is being hailed as a safe haven from rising waters over the past few days. Krista Campbell explains.
I have a son when my grandson can't live in here, so I'm just 5-year-old, and I live with my 10-year-old and my 14-year-old daughter, and my next big daughter. We can't manage this no more.
Frustration flows from a resident of Redding in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth, much unlike the stagnant floodwaters surrounding several houses here. Some residents wade through thigh-deep waters, while others lay concrete blocks as steps to take them in and out of their houses. And inside this one, unexpected occupants are testaments of how bad the situation has been, especially for farmers.
The water take we middle so rotten it out, and we cannot take it no more. Me have to live with me chicken them in my house. The first one them drown off. As me get too little more there, me have to take them out, put them in my house, live with it.
May I tell you, say, over there, so we see the water lie down like I see. A 40 are dead are crowded over there. Most of them drown off. We have to help the man with them and get some of them and get out some of them. I never know when carry them go right now. Right now, man, people go all in an argument over them guys. I have no to put them back.
Residents contend the area was last flooded in 2010, then during the passage of Hurricane Melissa in October 2025. But just as those waters receded, they say unprecedented rains since January 2026 put them back in an even worse predicament.
When the hurricane passed, it's 3 months, I couldn't live in this house. And we go back in there in the second week of January. And from March, rain been falling until now. We have to come out week before last Thursday and go by the church.
But as the rains continue, the people took their frustration to the streets, blocking the Lacovia main road and placarding, even as they urged the authorities to act now, as their health and lives are on the line.
There's a cemetery behind us right now where the water is coming from. There's a lot of open graves and the water is flooding over there, and all of this water run down in the street and block off the street. We have children going to school and we can't come out because we have to have children on our back and the water catching us at our waist.
See, they have fridge up, old fridge up here, push the children them into and they can't go to school.
I will pop in the live around the side, you know. Whole heap not going to school this morning, you know. And a 3 week now this happened to you, them, you know. 3 week water, them not get to learn. Then drop right back, you know.
Just go down in the road, just around the corner, you will see the amount of water down there right now. We have to pass through. If you come here, if anybody sick down there right now, we don't know how them will come out.
For his part, Member of Parliament for St. Elizabeth Northwestern, Andrew Morris, says he's working with the municipal corporation, which promised to send engineers to the area by today to assess the situation. However, he warned that it will not be an easy fix.
So this water spreads all the way from Redding to Dry Harbour, all the way back down to Morgan Square. So all of that area, and then it flows across the road down in the Holland Bamboo and Morgan Square.
As for the people's insistence on drain cleaning to help some of the floodwaters to run off,
I can't say for sure because I went at the location and I haven't seen any blockage really. But maybe beyond that, in the flooded waters, maybe there are things there.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.